Dear word lovers, wordaholics, herbivores, logomaniacs, logolabs, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Simple, a learning platform. Today, I will teach you something very special on phrases and idioms. As you know, phrases and idioms are the ornaments of language. And specifically, as you know, English is a language of commerce. English is a language of the internet. If you use better phrases and idioms, you will secure good marks in your examinations if you are students, and you will have good recognition at your workplace. You will have good personality and image in the society. So, remember that phrases and idioms are very much meaningful in your life. Suppose you are telling that I am suffering from fever. If you know pragmatics, if you know phrases and idioms, you can use it in another way, that is, instead of telling that he's suffering from fever, you can say that he's in for fever. He's having a lot of problems. You can say he's in for a lot of problems. So, phrases and idioms are very much meaningful. Today, I have decided to teach word lovers of all ages about phrases and idioms. Just I will teach you 10 phrases and idioms that is very much accelerating and extraordinary, and I'm sure that you will all these phrases and idioms will bring you recognition. So you just first of all you just get inspired to learn all these phrases and idioms that I'm going to teach you. Okay, just you try to remember all of them. Okay, let's learn important phrases and idioms that I have already detailed you beforehand. And before that, I would once again tell you very importantly that you give your all attention and be inspired and keep all these phrases and idioms in your mind. So let us start. The first one is in and of itself, means intrinsically without considering anything. Example, the plan is in and of itself is irrefutable. Number 2, be in for, that I have already told you beforehand, be experiencing something unpleasant. Example, he is in for problems. He is in for fever. Just remember them. The third one is be into. Very interesting phrase. Be interested in. Example, I am into English. He is into politics. The next one, for that is 4011. 4011, that is actually this is 4011. It has been shortened as a stylistic one, that is 4011, that is innumerable, many. Example, I have asked him 4011 times. Number 5, S in the whole. Number 5, S in the whole means secret or hidden, your hidden advantage, opportunity. Example, this policy is an S in the whole for all of us. Number 6, to a man, everyone. Example, people went there to a man. Then comes your number 7, that is to the nines extremely. Example is here, I am tired to the nines. The number 8, to death very much. Example, I am saddened to death. Then number 9, that is make a Horlicks up, that is make a mistake, make a mess. Example, don't make a Horlicks of the matter. The last one, number 10, an eye for an eye or a tooth for a tooth, that is retaliation or exact revenge, exact amount of revenge. Example, the language he used is an eye for an eye. So I think all these 10 phrases and idioms must give you much more acceleration, academic bliss, and if you practice this, you can have good recognition at your workplace, in the society, and I am sure that you will be able to secure good marks in the examination. So, my dear word lovers, word aholics, I must say that you must appreciate it, and if you appreciate it, you share it and subscribe it. Thank you, much as gracious. Happy watching.